Namaskar students. So in this session we are going to learn about the adaptations for the animals surviving in the hot climatic conditions. So the animals which are surviving in desert areas in extreme hot climate conditions, they also require some special features because the outside environment is very hot. So how they are able to survive? We'll take a few examples here. The first one we are going to discuss is fennec fox. Fennec fox, it has large ears. Why? To radiate the heat to the surroundings. The ears, they have a huge supply of blood vessels through which they radiate out their body heat. They have a small pointed nose. The shape of the face is so pointed that it can easily uh, search for its food under the ground. The desert animals are generally nocturnal. Nocturnal here means that they come out during the evening hours, during the night in search of the food, because during the daytime the weather is so hot. So they prefer to come out during the evening hours when the weather is preferably comfortable. The body color of the fennec fox also helps to camouflage, that is to blend with the surrounding sand, so that it is not easy for its prey or for its predator to recognize her. Next important feature of these animals is panting. This you must have observed in the dogs also. They take out their tongue and start taking deep breaths. Now this panting is a method of cooling used by many mammals, accomplished by the means of evaporation of water from the internal body surfaces. So what the dog is doing is, it is trying to evaporate the moisture through the exposed mouth areas, which gives him a cooling effect. This process is called panting, which is very common in desert animals. As I have already told you, the animals living in the desert areas, they are generally nocturnal. They prefer to come out during the night. Some nocturnal animals can also, others spend the whole day resting or sleeping. Now talking about camel, that is the ship of the desert. It has a lot of adaptations to survive in such extreme dry and hot weather conditions. It has thick eyelashes to protect itself from the blowing dust. The skin color of the camel also helps to blend with the surroundings. It has long legs to keep its body away from the hot sand. It has padded feet, which also helps him to walk on the hot sand. It also has a layer of fur on the body. It has the ability to close its nostrils. Why? Because there could be dust storms, the blowing dust could enter the nose of the camel, so it has the ability to close its nostrils. And the most important thing, it has the ability to store a lot of water and food. It has a hump to store the food, and it can store a lot of water, and it can survive without water and food for so long period, for many days. So in this session we have learned about the adaptations of fennec fox. We have learned an important feature of desert animals, that is panting. That is their ability to evaporate moisture from their internal body surfaces, which help them to cool down their body. We also learned a few adaptations taken by camel. And one more thing, that the desert animals are majorly nocturnal in nature. They come out during the night in search of the food instead of the daytime because of the extreme heat of the day. This much for today.